Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix no enhancement tab in sound settings on Windows 11, 10 easy solution. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, select Disable Device. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select High Definition Audio Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.